So today we're going to Banner Elk, North Carolina, and kind of check it out. We're going to stay in a cabin, and it's going to be awesome. So I decided, let's do this. We're also bringing Weston along. Say hi. Hi. And we're bringing Charlie along.
Aww.
We're about 2 hours away from where we are going, and we took a break because now we gotta eat lunch. Some shrimp, and I got some fries. Or, since we're at Outback, I got some shrimp on the bobby. Good. Ever heard of Mr. Potato Head? Well, here we got Mr. Breadhead. I just finished lunch, so we're gonna get back on the road and drive to Banner's Elk. Let's go.
Hey guys, how are we liking the trip so far?
This is awesome.
It's really cool and scary at the same time.
We just found this out. Banner Elk is pretty much a town on top of Boone. Like, it's the second story because Banner Elk is on a mountain while Boone is like surrounding the mountain. It is crazy. And we keep going twisting and turning all the way around the mountain. And I'm super excited.
I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fun. Check this out. We'll definitely be able to go sledding right here. I just don't know if I'll be able to make it up to our cabin. Do you know which one it is? I'm just gonna guess. Dude, we can't make it up there. I ain't giving it a try. I'm sliding. I can't do it.
Currently we are in Banner Elk, and we were having some trouble getting up the mountain because we only have front wheel drive. So we're installing some chains on our wheels, so that'll make it a lot better.
Had a little trouble coming up the mountain, didn't we?
Yeah.
And there was some cars sliding off the road, and we thought it might be a good idea to get
Some chains.
BAM! We got some tire chains. Give us a little more grip action. Hopefully those prevent us from sliding into the river. They're sliding off the road, hitting anybody, keep us safe. I guess we'll see, right?
We're on Sugar Mountain in Banner Elk. We're about to go into a food line, but look at this snow. That is amazing. Welcome. This is the Cornerstone Lodge at Banner Elk. I'm going to give you an honest review of this place, how awesome it is, its flaws, all that. But just from the living room, this place looks awesome. We got a nice smart TV, we got campfire, and we've got kitchen.
Pretty cool, huh?
We got a microwave. We got in here a coffee machine over here. Pretty awesome stuff.
We got a nice fridge. We got a lot of amenities in here. Microwave, stove, oven. Got the coffee maker. You want to show us around a little bit?
Yeah. This is the jacuzzi. I mean, the bathroom in general, but I'm excited about the jacuzzi. So yeah, pretty standard bathroom.
We got a shower over on this side. Do we? Yep, we do. There's a shower over here. All right. Want to take us to the next room?
Yeah.
And we got Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. You like the cabin life? Weston likes the cabin life, don't you, Weston? Arr.
Open that door. This door seems to be locked.
Whoa. Mystery door. Well, let's see if we can get in there, okay?
Okay.
We got it open. What's in here?
Nice bedroom. It's nice and closed off for some good old privacy. And well, would you look at that? We even got a little place to hang your clothes over here if you need room for that. And it is locked. I don't know what's behind here, but I doubt we will find out because it's probably for the owners of the place. So let's move on.
Possibly cleaning supplies, maybe.
Probably. Got this room, which is a nice big closet that sits under the upstairs, which we are yet to see. So let's go check it out.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Getting warm?
Yeah.
Got a nice fire to keep us warm. All right, we're going to follow CJ upstairs to check out the next area of the cabin. Weston, you going along too? All the way to the top? All the way to the top. You lead the way.
Be careful. So we got two nice beds over here for me and the West.
So this is where CJ and Weston will be staying for the duration of our trip. Pretty nice.
Never
This is
shared
the
a room with anyone.
well, this is the loft, which if you look at it, it's actually pretty roomy up here. Quite a bit of space. Here's the view from the top. You can see Mom all the way down there, staying warm by the fire. And a little aerial shot of the entire cabin.
I'd like to think that the A frame right here is A for Appalachian.
Is it Appalachian or Appalachian? I know that's a big debate between different people here in the Carolinas. Appalachian says the North Carolinian who is freezing her little tush off by the fire.
So there's your tour of the cabin. We'll see each other next tomorrow morning going snow tubing, which will be very fun. Now it's time for me to get some sleep. Bye.
Whoa. Where'd everybody go? Hey, you guys didn't leave without me, did you?
Oh, hey there.
Oh.
We almost forgot about you guys. We're about to go snow tubing any minute now. Come on.
You almost forgot us? You can't forget us.
Is it open this way?
Whoa.
Yeah, it is for sure snowing. I've never seen this much snow because I live on the coast where it is always warm. Let's get in the car before we're late.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Weston, you ready to go? No?
You are not allowed to do anything that begins with the words, "Hey y'all, watch this." Why?
Because that means you're about to do something unsafe.
Oh.
You also are going to have to
All right, guys, we finally made it. We're about to go down the mountain. How do you feel?
Nervous, excited, got a lot of things.
Don't forget to use your brakes, your feet as brakes.
Yep, they keep saying that.
Number 2. Make sure your feet are outside of the tube for me, buddy. Bring the feet outside. Very kind of the folks at Hawk's Nest to provide us with transportation back up the mountain after you slide down. Makes it much easier than if we had to climb it ourselves. On to the next one. There's Sarah, CJ, and Weston as they wait in line to go back down what we consider to be the fastest slide in the entire park. They should be up in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. You can see the family's enjoying not having to walk all the way back up the mountain.
True.
How you feeling, buddy? You having fun? Yeah. So we just finished up our time at Hawk's Nest Mountain here in Seven Devils, North Carolina. What do you guys think?
Hawk's Nest tubing and zip line.
Zip line. Hawk's Nest tubing and zip line. That's where we just finished up going tubing down the mountain. What do you guys think?
It was super fun. I enjoyed myself thoroughly. We got CJ to go down head first on the fastest, highest one.
I'm exhausted.
Wes, how you feeling? Did you have fun? Yeah, I'd take that as a yes. What do you guys say?
Oh yeah.
All right, what are we doing next?
Lunch.
Lunch?
Lunch.
Lunch. See you guys in a bit. At the Banner Elk Tavern for our second time during this trip. What'd you get, buddy?
Pizza. Very hot.
How is it?
Good.
Too hot?
Very hot.
What'd you get?
Pizza.
Pizza. And I got a euro. Look at that. About to get in on it. Justin's enjoying his cake. How you doing, bud? How is it? Try a piece of this red velvet cake. Looks pretty tasty. Weston's still getting down on his chocolate. CJ's eating his pizza. Mom's done.
I just sit in the back and
Our last morning in beautiful Banner Elk, North Carolina, and I have to say, Western North Carolina is killing it with these amazing views. Absolutely beautiful. We're having a blast too. So, thanks to Mama, I crashed halfway down the hill, and this is how I look now. CJ, on the other hand, he made it all the way down. Okay, guys, you ready?
yeah. I think.
On 3.
No, wait, I got
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Go as fast as you can and stay on it. All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Everything up. We're going back to Wilmington. Start the time lapse. Bye, Cornerstone Cabins.
Bye. We'll miss you. We'll never forget you.